Welcome to the Money Report. I'm Nick, and let's get right into it. Is Disney trying to give you the Dumbo treatment? Like many businesses, Disney's felt the impact of the pandemic. As a company that heavily relies on the in-person experience, Disney has been feeling the need to innovate more ways to magically separate you from your money. The question is, how are they doing this? Well, Disney's doing what any $200 billion company would do. They're pumping up the prices. One way they've started doing this is by charging for services that used to be free. And the second way is, well, eliminating some services altogether. With all of that extra money, Disney should be able to afford a lot more teacups. But shockingly, these upcharges are expected to hit their streaming services as well. CNBC reports, Disney annually asks cable TV providers to pay aggressive price hikes for ESPN because it knows there's strong demand for its stable of live sports rights. Disney Plus first launched in November 2019 at $6.99 per month. About 3 years later, the price of the ad-free product will have risen 57%. The service now has more than 152 million customers. We know the news outlets keep it PC, but what do the people have to say about these hikes? Let's take an Elmer Fudd dive into the rabbit hole called Twitter. One Miranda Allen says, "Shame on Disney. It seems like Disney doesn't want to bring joy and smiles to children's faces anymore. They are just interested in raising prices on everything and making the most money they can. There are plenty of other fun things your family can enjoy in your area." NY Ike says, "In my honest opinion, astronomically raising prices and marginalizing loyal subscribers isn't very magical." And let's see what Bastia Down P has to say. He says, Disney especially prices based on days of the week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday nights are going to be way more expensive than a Sunday through Wednesday night in most cases. Special events also impact pricing pretty heavily. But tell me, do you think these price increases are necessary? Or is Disney just taking you for a ride? Let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, check out the affiliate links in the description. We love you, and see you next time.